If your Ford Fusion is failing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't rush to the dealer just yet. Statistics show that 80% of smartphone integration issues are resolved with basic troubleshooting. Let us walk through the 4 common culprits behind this connection failure. Start by inspecting your hardware and verifying your system settings in the sync menu. A common mistake is using a charge-only cable that lacks the necessary data transfer pins. If the hardware is fine, a software glitch in Sync 3 might be the bottleneck. Most fixes are free, but a faulty USB hub or APIM module may require professional service. Here is the typical cost breakdown, ranging from a cheap cable to a full module replacement. If these steps fail to restore connection, you may need to consult a technician. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the go. Remember, technology is only as reliable as the weakest link in your connection chain. Thanks for watching and stay connected on the road.